Never miss a payment deadline on your investments with AutoPay on Glidelnvest. Start by clicking on the Set Up AutoPay button. AutoPay can be set up in two ways, e-mandate or paper mandate. First, let's understand how to set up AutoPay via e-mandate. Click on the e-mandate button. Next, you will be redirected to your bank's net banking page. Log in to complete the process. Glidelnvest will send you a notification when the bank approves your request. Alternatively, to set up AutoPay via paper mandate, click on the paper mandate button. Next, download the mandate form and take a printout. You may also view a sample mandate form for clarity before signing. Then, upload the signed form and click on the Upload Signed Mandate button. It takes a few seconds to upload the mandate form. And that's it. Your bank will approve the mandate within 3 to 4 weeks. We will keep you notified. Glidelnvest, making investment stress-free.